Hey everyone! Welcome back to Legit Internet Income, where I bring you real ways to make money online. No scams, no fluff. Today, I'm revealing 7 new ways to make money while you sleep in 2025. These aren't your usual YouTube ads, blogging, or dropshipping methods. These are fresh, unique ways that people are already making money from, but hardly anyone is talking about. We're talking about serious passive income potential here, the kind of stuff that lets you earn even while you sleep. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll be revealing the easiest method that could make you $3,000 or more per month on autopilot. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you want more passive income ideas, and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next big money-making strategy. First up, selling keyboard shortcuts and macros. This is a fantastic way to leverage your tech skills and help others become more efficient in their daily tasks. Look, time is money, right? In today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for ways to save time and increase productivity. Everyone wants to work faster, whether it's in Excel, Photoshop, or video editing software. These are tools that professionals use daily, and any time saved can be a huge benefit, and that's where you come in. By creating custom shortcuts and macros, you can help people streamline their workflow and feel more confident in their work. You can create and sell pre-made keyboard shortcuts or macros that save people time and boost their productivity. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing your creations are making someone's job easier. Think about it. Who wouldn't pay a few bucks to shave hours off their workload every week? The value proposition here is clear and compelling. Here's how. Use AutoHotkey for Windows or Keyboard Maestro for Mac to create custom shortcuts. These tools are incredibly versatile and can be tailored to fit almost any need. These programs are super powerful and surprisingly easy to use. Even if you're not a coding expert, you can still create effective shortcuts with a bit of practice. You can create shortcuts for almost anything. From simple text expansions to complex multi-step processes, the possibilities are endless. Next, package your shortcuts into downloadable packs and sell them on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Fiverr. These platforms make it easy to reach a wide audience and manage your sales. These platforms are perfect for reaching a large audience of potential buyers. With the right marketing, your products can gain significant traction. When marketing your shortcuts, target productivity enthusiasts, businesses, and content creators. These groups are always on the lookout for tools that can help them work more efficiently. These groups are always looking for ways to streamline their workflow and get things done faster. Highlight the time-saving benefits and ease of use in your marketing materials. Potential earnings. Let's say you sell 100 shortcut packs at $20 each. That's a substantial income for something you create once and sell repeatedly. That's $2,000 per month, while you sleep. The beauty of digital products is that they can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. And the best part? Once you create the shortcuts, they can be sold over and over again, creating a truly passive income stream. This is a fantastic opportunity to leverage your skills and create a sustainable income source. Next, did you know you can get paid just for driving your car like normal? That's right, no catch. Imagine turning your everyday commute into a revenue stream. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just taking a leisurely drive, your car can be making money for you. Companies will actually pay you to display digital ads on your rear window. These digital screens are eye-catching and can display a variety of advertisements, making your car a moving billboard. It's like turning your daily commute into a money-making machine. Every mile you drive, you're potentially earning more money. It's a seamless way to add an extra income stream without any additional effort. All you do is drive as usual and collect a paycheck. No need to change your driving habits or go out of your way. Just stick to your routine and watch the earnings roll in. The ads are displayed on a digital screen that's easily attached to your rear window, making it convenient and hassle-free. The installation process is simple and doesn't require any special tools or skills, and you have complete control over when and where you want to display them. You can choose to display ads only during certain times or in specific areas, giving you flexibility and control. Platforms that pay for this include Rapify, which pays per mile driven, so the more you drive, the more you earn. It's perfect for those who spend a lot of time on the road. And Sticker, which pays you monthly for car ads. This platform offers a steady income regardless of how much you drive, making it a great option for those with a more predictable driving schedule. Both platforms are reputable and offer a great way to earn passive income without any extra effort. They handle all the logistics, so you can focus on driving and earning. Potential earnings. Depending on how much you drive and the platform you choose, you can earn anywhere from $200 to $600 per month without changing your routine. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. You can earn anywhere from $200 to $600 per month without changing your routine. That's like getting paid to drive to work, run errands, or even just cruise around town. So why not take advantage of this opportunity? Turn your car into a mobile advertising platform and start earning today. It's easy, it's profitable, and it's a smart way to make use of your daily drive.
Check one, check.
If you've got a good voice, you can make money in your sleep by selling AI-generated voice packs. The demand for high-quality voiceovers is exploding, and AI makes it easier than ever to create and sell them. Even if you don't want to record your own voice, you can use tools like ElevenLabs, Descript, or Play-T to generate high-quality AI voices. These platforms offer a wide range of voices, accents, and styles to choose from, so you can find the perfect fit for any project. Once you've generated your AI voices, you can sell them for a variety of uses, such as YouTube intros, podcast narration, video game characters, and more. The possibilities are endless. Potential earnings. Let's say you sell 100 voice packs at $20 each. That's $2,000 per month, on autopilot. And as AI technology continues to improve, the demand for high-quality voice packs will only continue to grow. Chapter 4. Invest in ATM machines and collect fees. Did you know you can own an ATM machine and get paid every time someone withdraws cash? It's like having your own mini bank, generating passive income 24/7. Here's how. First, you'll need to buy an ATM machine, which typically costs around $2,000 to $3,000. Next, you'll need to find a high-traffic location to place it, such as a gas station, bar, or convenience store. Once your ATM is up and running, you'll charge a fee per withdrawal, usually $2 to $3 per use. These fees can really add up, especially in high-traffic areas. Potential earnings. If 50 people withdraw cash per day at $3 per transaction, that's $4,500 per month. And the best part is that once you've covered your initial investment and operating costs, the rest is pure profit. Chapter 5. Sell augmented reality AR filters. Next, you can make money while you sleep by creating and selling custom AR filters for social media. AR filters are exploding in popularity, and brands and influencers are willing to pay top dollar for unique and engaging filters that promote their products. How to get started? Use Spark AR Studio for Instagram and Facebook, or Lens Studio for Snapchat, to design your filters. These platforms are surprisingly user-friendly, even if you don't have any prior design experience. Once you've created some awesome filters, you can sell them on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to businesses. Charge $200 to $1,000 per custom filter, depending on the complexity and demand. Potential earnings. Just 10 custom filters at $300 each equals $3,000 per month, passively. And as AR technology continues to evolve, the demand for custom filters will only continue to grow. Chapter 6. License your data for AI training. Big companies need massive amounts of real-world data to train their AI models, and they're willing to pay you for it. That's right, your data is valuable. You can license your data for a variety of purposes such as voice recordings, handwriting samples, user behavior and interactions, and more. The type of data that's in high demand will vary depending on the specific AI models being developed. Platforms that pay for this include Kaggle, Lionbridge, and AIDataProfit.io. These platforms connect businesses with individuals who are willing to share their data for AI training purposes. Potential earnings. The earning potential for data licensing can vary widely depending on the type of data you have and the demand for it. Some data sets sell for $500 to $5,000 or more, so it's definitely worth exploring. Chapter 7. Build a subscription-based digital toolkit. If you love creating digital tools and resources, why not package them into a subscription-based toolkit and generate passive income? This approach not only allows you to monetize your skills but also provides immense value to your audience. This is a great way to monetize your skills and help others at the same time. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your creations are being used by people all over the world to solve their problems and enhance their productivity. Here's how. First, create a collection of ready-to-use digital products such as Excel budget templates, Notion productivity workspaces, and other tools that can simplify tasks for your users. Canva social media templates, and more. The key is to focus on creating high-quality, versatile products that can be easily customized by your subscribers. Choose products that are in high demand and offer real value to your target audience. Conduct market research to understand what your potential subscribers are looking for and tailor your toolkit accordingly. Next, set up a subscription service and charge a small monthly fee, between $5 to $50, for access to your toolkit. Make sure to offer different pricing tiers to cater to various needs and budgets. This recurring revenue model can provide you with a consistent stream of passive income. The beauty of this model is that it allows you to focus on creating new content while your existing products continue to generate revenue. You can sell your toolkit on platforms like Gumroad, Patreon, or even your own website. Each platform has its own set of features and benefits, so choose the one that aligns best with your business goals, or even your own website. Having your own website gives you more control over your brand and customer experience. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and target audience. Consider factors like ease of use, payment processing, and customer support when making your decision. Potential earnings. With just 200 subscribers at $10 per month, that's $2,000 passive income every month. Imagine the possibilities as you scale up and attract more subscribers. And as your subscriber base grows, so too will your passive income. The more value you provide, the more likely your subscribers are to stay and even recommend your toolkit to others. And there you have it, 7 more underrated ways to make money while you sleep in 2025. These are just a few of the many innovative and exciting ways that people are generating passive income in today's digital economy. Which method excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm always looking for new ways to make money online, and I love hearing from my viewers. Want a step-by-step guide on any of these? Let me know in the comments. If there's enough interest, I'll create a dedicated video diving deeper into the method you choose. Before you go, hit that like button to help more people find this video, and subscribe for weekly videos on legit online income strategies. I'm constantly researching and testing new methods, and I'm here to share my findings with you. See you in the next one.